Hey, how's it going today? My name is Frank Wrench, and I want to take a few minutes and chat with you about brake jobs, mechanic to mechanic. Now, you're a professional, and you've probably done enough brake jobs in your career to sink a ship. But over the years, I've picked up a few techniques here and there that's made me an even more effective technician when it comes to brake jobs, and I'd like to share them with you. I like to think that if this old dog could learn a few new tricks of the trade, so can you. I'm going to briefly talk about how brake systems work and how to service them, specifically looking at the hydraulic master cylinder, wheel cylinder, calipers and friction, rotors and calibrating brake lathes, drum brakes, and anti-lock brake systems. Now, before starting any brake job, our first step is to always test drive the vehicle to confirm there is a problem with the car's brakes. Whether it's poor stopping performance, brake noise, or some other issue, take it for a drive so you can see or hear the problem for yourself. Prior to completing any work, perform a complete inspection of the vehicle's brake and chassis system following the MAP guidelines. MAP, which stands for Motorist Assurance Program, outlines to our customer the recommended service needed to return their vehicle to like-new performance. By showing customers at the onset of the job our recommendations for service, it will go a long way toward building confidence between our customers and us. To accomplish this, we take the extra steps to do the job right and avoid cutting corners. This reduces costly comebacks and installs confidence in our customers' eyes. The next time their vehicle needs service, who do you think they'll call if they were treated right during their last visit? You send a customer out the door, and a month later, their brakes are making noise again. They're taking their business elsewhere. That's why it's important to perform a complete brake inspection and take the steps to do the brake job right the first time. And by doing a complete brake inspection, you may find other areas of the brake system needing repair, areas that would have gone undetected had you just addressed the initial problem. Recommending additional service if needed will also boost your bottom line and increase customer satisfaction.